Insurance talk. Prohibition of mid-term inclusion or cancellation of extra benefit. GR 32. Only once one can avail benefit of cancellation or inclusion of extra benefit during currency of policy. Example, if someone wants to avail the benefit of fitting anti-theft device, then again he can't approach for automobile association membership benefit. Concession on vehicle designed for use of handicap. GR 33. 33.33% discount on own damage premium can be allowed on vehicle designed for use of handicap person. It can be availed by individual and also by institute wholly in service of handicap. Registration and insurance. GR 34. When the vehicle is subject to hire purchase, lease agreement, hypothecation, or in case of motor trade policies issued to motor dealers or temporary substituted vehicles, like when the vehicle is under repair, a substitute vehicle is given for use to customer. Except in these cases, the substantial proof of ownership of vehicle is to be submitted for registering of vehicle in the name, like invoice or sale deed of vehicle. Use of vehicles within insured premises or site. GR 35. 33.33% discount on such vehicles where the RTA license is not required and the use of vehicle is confined to place where the general public has no access. Even the goods carrying vehicle GCV who are confined to place where general public has no access are eligible for such discount. Certificate of insurance and cover notes is not issued for such vehicles. In such cases, WC policies and engineering policies will take care of liability. These are example of industrial vehicles. IMT 13 and 14 are used in this case. Thank you.